Before technology, learning was scarce. Knowledge lived in memory. It moved through stories, apprenticeships, and direct mentorship. To learn was to sit beside someone who knew. Then came replication. The printing press did more than produce books. It standardized knowledge. It separated learning from proximity. For the first time, information could outlive the teacher. Institutions formed around this abundance. Schools emerged, not just to share ideas, but to organize them. Subjects were divided. Curricula were sequenced. Learning became structured. Then industry reshaped education again. Classrooms began to resemble factories, rows of desks, fixed schedules, uniform testing. Efficiency replaced intimacy. Standardization replaced personalization. Technology did not interrupt this system at first. It accelerated it. The internet dissolved physical limits. Information became searchable. Authority became distributed. Memorization lost value. Navigation gained it. Then the algorithm entered the classroom. Adaptive platforms track performance in real time. AI tutors personalize instruction. Data predicts weakness before failure appears. Learning is no longer linear. It is dynamic, responsive, and optimized. But something subtle has shifted. When answers are immediate, patience declines. When assistance is constant, struggle diminishes. When systems guide every step, independence recalibrates. Technology did not just expand access to knowledge, it redefined what knowledge is. Once, to learn meant to retain, then it meant to understand. Now increasingly it means to interface. The question is no longer whether technology improves education. It is whether in rewiring learning, we have also rewired the learner.